Said Yusuf Gilani,
do solemnly swear that I will bear true faith
and allegiance
to Pakistan, that as chairman of the Senate and whenever I am called upon to act as President of Pakistan, I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the law, and as chairman of the Senate, in accordance with the rules of the Senate, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of Pakistan, that I will strive to preserve the Islamic ideology, which is the basis for the creation of Pakistan, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen. Mubarack ho ji aap.